So, as what I have said kanina, we are going to tackle about learning disability. So, we have five: dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, apraxia of speech, central auditory processing disorder. So, when you say dyslexia, ito yung mga bata o mga estudyante who are having who are having trouble with word recognition, poor spelling, and decoding ability. So, may ano tayo dyan eh, may movie tayo dyan na, ano yung Star? Parang yung title niya may Star, na ano siya, na-include siya sa general education class. Tapos, binubuli na siya kasi hindi siya marunong bumasa. At dahil doon, hindi niya kasi nakikita kung ano yung letra. Kaya para sa kanya, yung nakikita niya, yung parang quote-unquote sinabi ng bata na the letters are dancing. So yun yung mga may dyslexia. And good for that kid, my teacher, my special education teacher na naintindihan niya. Naintindihan niya kung ano yung kondisyon ng bata. So yes, dyslexia. So dysgraphia naman, 'di ba, sa dyslexia yung nakikita niya. Sa dysgraphia naman, yung hand-eye coordination niya ay very weak. So he or she is having trouble with writing ability niya. 'Di ba? Pag we have here, sorry, wala akong blue, red, blue na line. So like for example, the lines pag when you're writing, 'di ba? C, blue to blue. Pero dun sa mga may dysgraphia, it can be like that. So hindi niya ano or hindi kaya ganyan o ganyan yung C niya. In, he or she is having trouble with writing. Yun naman yung sa dysgraphia. Now, sa yung dyscalculia naman, those students are who are having trouble with mathematics, word problem, math concepts, and numerical operation. So, again, makikita natin itong mga batang to commonly na na-include sa regular or sa general education class. So ano naman po yung apraxia of speech? When we say apraxia of speech, neurological speech disorder yon, difficulty articulating sounds. Meron kasing mga tao din na who are having trouble with public speaking, making speech. Ito yung mga apraxia of speech. And central auditory processing disorder, ito naman po yung impairment. Kasi itong central auditory processing, regardless sa magandang hearing, yung problema naman is yung sa central nervous system ng bata. Kasi yung central nervous system niya struggles to interpret what he or she is hearing. Oh, yun. So, sa tingin niyo dun sa mga na-discuss ko, isa ba dun sa disability o sa impairment, meron kayo? Sa tingin ko, oo. Kasi, pero kasi, makukonsider talaga natin na nabilong tayo sa special class. But of course, again, depende yun sa severity ng case. Kaya sila nai-include doon sa special education class. Pero ako, again, for myself, I can consider myself impaired na kasi I'm using glasses already. Oo, but that doesn't stop me from learning. That doesn't stop me from progressing. Okay. So yes.